Good morning, you guys, and happy Vlogmas Day 7. So, today is a work day. It is Monday. I have to go to work. I'm tired. I have coffee. It's great. But first coffee. Okay. Yeah, today might not be very eventful because I have to go to work for 8 hours, and then I have to go grocery shopping when I get home. But hopefully when I get home, I can start sewing that backpack. So yeah, you'll probably see me later. But I'm gonna head off to work. So yeah, I'll see you guys tonight. Hey guys, so it's pretty late, so I don't think I'm really gonna get any sewing done today like I had planned. But that's fine because I got 4 giant packages in the mail that I ordered for wedding stuff. I ordered some bouquets and things. I ordered stuff to make bouquets. Vader. I ordered stuff to make bouquets from solowoodflowers.com. So I wanted to go ahead and do a little unboxing for you guys. I got 4 packages in the mail. I have 2 more I'm waiting on, but I figured I'd go ahead and unbox these 4 for you to show you guys what I got. I don't really know I know what I ordered, but I don't really know what's in what package because it was sent in like multiple packages because I ordered a lot of big things that won't fit in like one box. So we're gonna go ahead and just see what's inside these bad boys here. Okay. Okay, cool. So in here we have a bunch of the boxes I ordered. So there's 4 in here. But basically I ordered these wood boxes. They look like this. They're super cute. I figured these would be nice for centerpieces. They do have like inside, but I think I'm going to place them on a table like this with the heart side up, and I'm going to stack the bases on here with like some flowers around them. I think that'll be cute. But I ordered enough of these to go on all the tables, so yay, those came in. I'm pretty sure these other boxes, hopefully these other boxes aren't just more of these, but we'll see. I think this second box is definitely probably just more boxes because it's the same size as this box, so. Go ahead, another one. Yeah, okay, so it's just another 4 of those boxes I ordered. I hope there's some flowers in some of these. I hope those aren't the ones that are coming later. Okay. And then I have these boxes that are quite bigger, so this sounds like these might be flowers, so I might just be waiting on another 2 boxes of those wood boxes. So I think I ordered 14 of them, maybe. I think that's how many I ordered because I think that's how many tables I'm having. But I'm thinking these might be flowers because they sound like something's moving around in there. Ooh, okay, yeah, it's some flowers. So, let's see. I'm excited. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, okay, so there's some flowers and some more boxes in here. Okay, so I ordered these. These are going to be for the Bridesmaids Bouquets. I'm just going to like kind of cut them up and put them in the bouquets. I don't know how many of these are ordered. It looks like there's 2 in here. I think I might have ordered enough for each bridesmaid maybe. I don't really remember. But I have 2 of those. Oh man, there's more in here. Hold on. I gotta keep those away from the cat. Okay, so there's something in here that's wrapped up nicely. I'll get to that in a minute. Yeah, okay, so it looks like, oh, I think this is one of the ones that I got that like, it's like a hanging thing. So this is going to be for my bouquet. Looks nice. Yeah, and then there's more of these in here. There's just one more of these in here. So I have 3 of these, and then I have 2 of these long hanging ones. They're basically the same leaf as this. They're just, they hang, and I want to do that to make kind of like a cascading bouquet for myself. So yeah, I have those. And then there's just 2 more boxes in here of those like wood boxes. So I think that's all for that. And then in here, oh, I did order this, okay. So I ordered a bunch of floral wire. These are way longer than I thought they would be. I guess I didn't realize how long 18 inches is, but I ordered a whole bunch of these for the wood flowers I bought because you have to stem them yourself. So you just kind of glue these into the wood flowers, and that gives them some stems for your bouquets. So yeah, I got a ton of those. I think I got enough for all 300 flowers, so they're kind of hefty, but yeah, got those. Alright, that's all for this giant box. Alright, one more box. This one feels a lot lighter, so I don't know what's in here. I know I ordered some like baby's breath, so maybe that's in one of these, or maybe it's just more greenery, but I think that was all the greenery I ordered. I don't really remember. And I still have 2 more packages coming, so I'm thinking those have more of the wood boxes, because I only have 8, 9, I only have 10, so I think I have 4 more, so. Oh, okay, yeah, my packing slips in this box, so I can see. Oh, yeah, okay, so my, the baby's breath is in here, and it's so pretty. Okay, so, yeah, I got baby's breath. Okay, I only ordered 3 of those bushes, because I think I'm going to cut them up. I did order some jute twine. I don't know if I've seen that yet, so maybe that's coming in one of the other packages. Yeah, and I only got 14 of those boxes. Okay. That's what I bought. But yeah, and here is the baby's breath. It is preserved, so it's kind of like, it's very fragile. I think there's just baby's breath in here. I don't think I got the mini jip, because I ordered some green like jip stuff, but this is all the baby's breath I ordered. I ordered 5 bundles of them, and ooh, there's a lot actually. I'm not going to take them out because I kind of want to keep them in this box, and some. They are preserved. They're a little fragile, so we're going to keep them in here. But this is kind of what they look like. There's just a ton. They're super nice. That's exciting. I really hope these last until the wedding. I got like 5 months, because these are really like fragile. I don't think preserved, I don't know, does preserved stuff die? I don't really know. I'll just go ahead and show you one. Gotta keep it away from the cat. But this is kind of what it looks like. Obviously it's wrapped up, so you can't really see that well, but this is like one whole bundle, so that's quite a lot. But yeah, I might just keep them in these wraps, I guess. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I might just keep them in the wrap until a few days before the wedding, so they have time to like poop out, or whenever I make the centerpieces or whatever. But I'm just gonna keep them in here for now, so that they don't get eaten by the cat, who's walking in front of my camera constantly. But yeah, that's everything that I got so far. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing. I'm excited to actually start making my bouquets and like centerpieces and stuff, because I think I finally have everything, so I can start doing some dyeing of the flowers. That'll be cool. But yeah, that's everything. I don't think I'm going to be vlogging anymore tonight. I don't know how much footage I have, but I don't know. I gotta edit because it's already like almost 9, so I want to edit some stuff and then get this video up for tomorrow for you guys. So it might be a short one, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye! Hopefully tomorrow we'll be actually sewing the mini backpack, but I worked late today and just crazy day. So, yeah, didn't get a lot done. And I'm kind of just tired and want to watch Netflix right now, so probably do that. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!